Congratulations! Not only are you a part of a fast-growing industry, but you are in the beginning stage of becoming an entrepreneur. Welcome to Lesson 2. Today we will talk about those must-have eyelash extension tools and products and the importance of operation and precautions. Let's begin with tweezers. Tweezers are an essential tool for lashing. At all times, you must have two pairs of tweezers, isolation and lashing tweezers, to complete a lash service. One of the most important steps in applying eyelash extensions is proper isolation, and this is where the isolation tweezers come in place. Isolation tweezers are strictly for isolating each natural lash to ensure a clean application. Lashing tweezers, classic or volume tweezers. Yes, this means you will have isolation tweezers in one hand and lashing tweezers in your other hand. Lash tweezers are used to pick up and apply for lash extensions. These tweezers can be classic tweezers, which are used for classic lashes. Or they can be L-shaped or curved tweezers, which are used for volume lashes. Well, of course, eyelash extensions are essential for every service and something you will also want to invest in. Clients wear them all day every day and will notice if you go the cheap route, and some may not take too kindly to it. Now we introduce some popular types of eyelash extensions. Easy fan. Easy fan lashes, also known as self-fanning, smart fanning, or easy blooming eyelash extensions. Fans are a type of eyelash extensions that have the lashes technology to actually fan themselves with very little effort. It is a revolutionary product. Mega volume. Mega volume lashes are usually over 10 super thin eyelash extensions and can be up to 20 lash extensions. The fan shape is perfect for wrap-on to gain maximum lash retention. Lashes in 0.03 and 0.05 are usually made for full mega volume and works perfectly in conjunction with BEYELIAN Flash Glue. Camellia. Camellia Blossom lashes, we call it Wavyline Easy Fan Lash. Compared with normal Easy Fan lashes, Wavyline lashes have 3 different lengths blended in one strip to make more natural looking fans. Ellipse flat. Ellipse flat eyelash extension has a slightly oval shape. The difference from ellipse and other classic lash extensions is their large touch areas with natural eyelashes, more fastness, and long duration. The matte ellipse flat eyelash extension is of matte deep black finish, which creates a full and glamorous look easily. Premade fans. Premade fan lashes help much in speeding up the process of professional eyelash applications. You do not have to make lash fans by hand. The fans are glue bonded, not free, and won't damage natural eyelashes. BEYELIAN is supplying 3D to 6D, 8D, and 10D in both 0.05 and 0.07, 3D to 6D in 0.10 and 3D in 0.15. Pre-made fans also come in C and D curl in single and mixed lengths. Now the key that will hold everything together, literally. Adhesive is probably the most important part of each service. Finding an adhesive that you can trust is vital to your career. Research your options and make sure you have a good adhesive ready for every single service. Here we introduce 2 types of glue, which is completely different from the traditional strong glue. Feature 1. Intelligent control. Designed with a controlling wing, 0.03 milliliters each drop of glue. There are approximately 330 drops for 10 milliliters. Feature 2. Each drop fresh. IPX7 waterproof level, great sealing from the first to the last. Each drop of glue is fresh. Feature 3. Great performance. 1 to 2 seconds dry time, 6 to 7 weeks retention. Eye patches and tape are used prior to lashing to hold down stubborn bottom lashes. Without eye patches or tape, lower lashes crisscross with the upper lashes, which could result in a client's eye getting glued shut. And let's just say, that's not good for business. Without brushing your lashes, they may fully adhere at a strange angle or worse, stick. Lash brushes are good for so many reasons, but their number one purpose is to ensure everything is staying separated. You may run into a sticky situation that a lash brush can't get you out of, but 90% of the time your lash brushes will have your back. You need a lash primer to apply to every lash for every client, for every service. Why? If a client has leftover mascara and oils on their lashes, the adhesive won't last. Lash primer ensures that all debris and oils are stripped from the lashes prior to application. We apply the primer with micro brushes. This will make a huge difference in your client's retention. A crystal stone is your solution to where do I put my adhesive. It'll keep your adhesive fresh for longer and it regulates the temperature. You will need remover once you start lashing, but it isn't needed for every service. You will benefit from having it in cases where you have a client come in with not so good lash work. It's meaning their lashes in isolation are completely jacked. Some clients may even just want their lashes removed for various reasons. This is something you should prepare for. In addition to the above commonly used application tools, we also recommend a few that many customers have always liked and share with you. First one, the Lash Extension Mirror, for checking the final results. It helps much for lash artists to do perfect eyelash extensions. Second one, Smart Glue Cups. There's a gap of smart design at the ring which can be fastened to tweezers. While clipping the ring onto the straight tweezers used to isolate natural eyelashes, you can dip the glue so conveniently during the application procedure. Also, you can still wear it on your finger as usual. The last but most important, a glue container, which helps store your eyelash extension glue properly, fully protects adhesive from humidity. The principle is due to a special design of the lid. When you press down the lid, much of the air is squeezed out, creating a vacuum seal. A black glue container will protect the adhesive from direct light. It fits 3 to 5 adhesives depending on glue bottle shape and size. There are 2 sizes available. Thank you for your watching. Next lesson we will talk about how to properly hold lash tweezers, lash picking exercise in isolation practice.